Good morning. I'm looking for some fresh fish for dinner. What do you recommend? Good morning. We have variety of fresh catches today. Our salmon just came in and it's excellent. Sure, salmon sounds great. How much is it per pound? Our salmon is $10 per pound today. It's a high quality cut and I can assure you it's very fresh. That sounds good. I'll take a pound of the salmon, please. Fantastic choice. Freshly cut for you. Anything else you are interested in today? Do you have any shrimp? My family loves shrimp. Absolutely, we have large shrimp for sale today at $12 per pound. They are perfect for grilling or adding to pasta dishes. Sounds delicious. I'll take a half a pound of shrimp as well. Great. Anything else? Maybe some clams or mussels to complement your seafood dinner? That's a good idea. How about a pound of mussels? Excellent. 1 pound of mussels coming up. Anything else, or is there anything specific you are looking for? I think that's it for today. How much is the total? For the salmon, shrimp and mussels, your total is $28. Will that be cash or card? I'll pay with my card, please. Perfect. Please insert your card and you are all set. Thank you for shopping with us today. Enjoy your fresh seafood. Thank you. I'm looking forward to it. Have a great day. You too. If you ever have any questions or need more seafood, feel free to drop by.